STC's first video of 2018 is going to come as a bit of a shock to most of my viewers. STC have only really shown the tree aspect, but we also do landscape gardens, driveways, dam building and other clean-up work. So this year we're going to start with a landscape garden and show you from the beginning to the end. Our clients were on a bit of a tight budget for this one. They needed a new driveway built and a landscape garden out the back. They also had limbs that needed to be removed from over the house. Anyhow, first things first, dig up the existing driveway and remove the overhanging limbs from their B&B. All the wood chips from these limbs are going to go around and actually go on top of the landscape garden that we're building. So let's go around there and have a look at that now. STC use marking paint to actually mark out the zone where the landscape garden is going to go. You wouldn't believe it, but we took 6 truckloads of dirt away from this garden. Out the back of the Airbnb, we needed to make a wall of 400mm to put a garden bed in. So we used coppice logs and Tassie oak sleepers from Tasmania We in Fawcett, Tasmania. In the past, Tasmania We have actually taken some of our larger trees for milling. It always feels good when your tree that you're felling goes somewhere to be reused. When putting in a fresh garden bed against an existing fence, it's a good idea to put black plastic down just so that the water doesn't rot the fence out. The native plants we're going to use here all come from local growers around Tasmania. I like to plant natives in my landscape gardens as they can withstand the strange climate we have down here in Tasmania. Putting together the last touches to the driveway, and then it's time to lay the gravel. This product is actually called Tassie Gold and it came from the White Beach Quarry. Once all the gravel was spread and all the plants have been put in, we had a pretty good looking product. Thanks to Reese Long and Scott Blake. Top job, boys.